What? What letter is that?
R.
Yes. What letter is that?
A caterpillar.
No, it's rope.
It's rope.
What's that?
A T.
Right. What letter is that?
A G.
Z for... What animal is that?
Zebra.
Right.
What's this one? What's this one?
It's a quail, right?
It's a bird.
Yeah. Q is for quail.
The quail. No, this the Q for ring.
Okay, go ahead, put it in. Go ahead. Move along. What letter is that?
E. What's that go? What's that go?
That's an elephant, right?
No. This is elephants. The corner horizon.
Keep moving along. Go ahead.
It's a fish.
Mm-hmm.
Is it for fish?
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Hang on. Put that back down. Find me the letter G.
G.
Very good. Turn it around. Good job.
Well, find me this.
What letter is that?
H.
No, it's not. It's I, right? Yeah, good job.
It's I.
What letter is that?
And it's N.
Hmm?
It's N. It's right there.
Monkey, right?
It's monkey.
Yes.
And turn it around.
There you go. Turn it around. What letter was that?
S.
What letter is that?
W.
What letter is that?
X.
X. Very good. Keep going.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn it around. What letter is that?
White.
What letter is that?
K. What's this?
I know what it is. Do you know what it is?
There's an N.
Yes.
It's N that's right there.
What letter is that? P?
Yeah. What's this one?
I know what it is. Do you know what it is?
This is a violin.
Huh?
It's violin.
Oh, it's a violin. What letter, though?
V.
V. Very good.
Where was that? Where was that?
It's a violin, right? What letter is that?
J.
What letter is that?
C. Yeah. For very good.
What letter is that?
O.
What letter is that? What letter was that?
B.
That's B. What was this one, though?
I.
No, this one. You just put it in.
It's I.
No, this. Here. What letter is this?
H.
And what's this animal?
Horsey.
Yes. And last but not least, well, A, right?
It's A.
Very good. Yeah!